Who else is excited that sweater weather is on its way? Cheers to crisp mornings, the amazing feeling of a warm latte on a cold day, and all the beautiful sweaters and scarves you could want. Of course, it's a bit less lovely when you get that uncomfortable feeling of your rough skin catching on those sweaters. As the air gets drier, body-wide exfoliation gets more important to equip you for the fall and winter ahead. Let's settle one of the top exfoliating questions of recent years: body scrubs or dry brushes? A body scrub is a product you apply to your skin to exfoliate just about anything from the neck down. It typically looks like a cream, oil, or similar type of product with some type of granules within it, like clay microbeads, sugar, or even coffee grounds. When you massage it onto your skin, the rough texture of the granules smooths away dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. The result? Silky smooth skin. A dry brush is a specific type of brush that's used for exfoliation and enhanced circulation. It looks like a brush with rigid bristles, not unlike a brush for horses, if you're familiar. Some brushes have bristles made of synthetic materials, while others use boar hair or plant-based bristles. When you use the dry brush on your skin, it gives you a unique tingling sensation. Exfoliating scrubs and brushes are both products designed to remove dead skin cells and improve the appearance of the skin. However, they work in different ways and have different benefits and disadvantages. An exfoliating scrub typically contains small particles, such as sugar or salt, that physically remove dead skin cells when you massage the product onto your skin. Scrubs can be very effective in improving skin texture and appearance, but they can also be harsh on the skin and cause irritation if used too often or too aggressively. An exfoliating brush, on the other hand, typically uses bristles or other textures to gently sweep away dead skin cells. This type of exfoliation is less abrasive than using a scrub and is generally considered to be gentler on the skin. Exfoliating brushes can also be more convenient and quicker to use than scrubs, as they don't require you to apply any product to your skin. Ultimately, the choice between an exfoliating scrub and brush will depend on your individual skin type and concerns. If you have sensitive skin, a brush might be the better option, while those with thicker, tougher skin may find that a scrub is more effective. If you're unsure which is best for you, it's always a good idea to consult a dermatologist. Technique matters when it comes to exfoliation, and the techniques are different for body scrubs compared to dry brushing. You want to use a body scrub while your skin is wet. It's ideal to do it while you're in the shower and after you've been in the shower for a few minutes to loosen up your dead skin cells. Take the product and massage it gently on your skin using circular motions. Despite the name, you don't want to actually scrub your skin with it. I know, the name irks me too. When you're done, make sure to rinse off. A dry brush, on the other hand, is much more appropriately named because you need to use it while both the brush and your skin are dry. It's ideal to use it before a shower so you can then rinse off the exfoliated skin cells. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching,